In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card in Google Chrome. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly find some test card details here or test card numbers. We will be able to find some test cards. So yeah, let's use these ones. And let's say we're going to add a card in Google Chrome. To do that, we click the three that's on the upper right and go to where it says password and autofill. You hover over that and here you can see payment method. You click on that. So here you can see right here where it says payment methods. You can click the drop down and here you can choose credit card, debit card. You click on that and from here you want to enter those card details. So let's say this is American Express. I'm going to choose this number here and I'm going to add the card and I'm going to say expiration date. I'm going to just make up something like this and we will leave this as optional. Name on card. I'm going to just say test, for example, leave the nickname and click on add. And that's how you can easily add your credit or debit card on Google Chrome. Very easy and very simple.